Welcome to your Kickboxing Cardio Cruncher. Yes, today we have just got a fire 7-minute exercise routine that is gonna get your heart rate up, you sweating and burning calories. Now, one thing that people always ask me is, Rebecca, how do you get results? Well, that's exactly why I created the Burn by Rebecca Louise app, because inside that app, we have the Burn Method, a proven method of over 10 years with tens of thousands of women getting incredible results. Why does it work? Well, we're focused on 20% fitness, 80% nutrition, and 100% mindset. Want to find out more about how you can get results using the Burn Method? See all the details below and download the Burn by Rebecca Louise app. All right, get ready to burn some calories with our Cardio Crusher kickboxing workout. Penny is going to be our timer today. We are back outside, which means that we have got Penny back in the game. All right, you've just got 40 seconds of exercise. You've got a 15-second rest, and we're going to go strong for 7 minutes. So first exercise we're going to do is we're going to crunch in, extend those arms up, and then change over to the other side. So just lift your arms up, crunch in, and we're just going to get nice and warm to get started with. Here we go. How are you feeling today, Penny? Are you feeling rocking? Are you feeling ready to go? She's like, yes, I'm going to be doing the modified version, which is sunbathing. All right, and remember that workout is not going to get you the results, right? All you got to do to focus on getting results is 1, download the Burn by Rebecca Louise app, do our burn method, and move your body, all right? We don't complicate things. We make it nice and simple, and that way you can stay consistent, stay motivated, and get results. All right, bring those arms up, crunch in, use your core, really get that full extension with your arms. We've got 10 seconds left to go here, and breathe through it for 5, 4, 3, 2, give me one more, don't cheat, and release. All right, take a nice big inhale through your nose. Nice big exhale out. All right, we're going to take it into a curtsey lunge, and then you're going to kick out to the side, okay? So really use your core, pull it in nice and tight, push your booty out to the side, come back here, take it into your side kick. Keep your chest lifted up, little tap to the side, and then kick out. That's it. Drop your shoulders down, lifting up through your chest. Give yourself a smile, and here we go. We got this. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out. Drop your shoulders down, little tap to the side, lean into that side where you've got your bent knee, and really give it a little bit of extra welly. That's it, here we go, looking good. 15 seconds to go on this side. We're gonna switch it over to the other side. Really push your booty out to the side. Give me one more, out, and kick. Last one, all the way down, and kick it out to the side. Penny, where did you go? You can't just wander off halfway through a workout. All right, come to the middle of your mat. Take a nice big breath in. Big exhale out, let it all go. Really release those shoulders down. Any tension, all that tension wants to be right here in your booty. Take it out to the side and kick. Here we go, chest is lifted. Slight tap to the side, lean into it and give it a little bit of welly as you lean out to the side and lift up that leg. That's it, watch your balance. Pull that core nice and tight. Little tap and kick out to the side. Drop your shoulders, that's it. Here we go, looking good. Keep that momentum, keep that discipline, keep your consistency. Pushing your booty out, kick out to the side. You've got just 10 seconds left to go. Keep smiling, keep making it happen. Lifting up through your chest. Give me one more kick out to the side and one more squat out. Nice workout. Shake out your legs, shake out your arms. We're gonna take it into an undercut to a front punch. So what you're gonna do is undercut, and undercut, and then double punch in front. Here we go. So just keep thinking about pivoting your feet and legs from side to side. You're pouring core in. Let's try that again. You're holding your core nice and tight as you twist from side to side using your obliques. That's it. Now really use your bicep muscles and your shoulders as you do those punches forward and then taking it across your body. Here we go. Halfway there on this exercise. Every single rep that you do, it does make a difference, right? We gotta celebrate how far we have come rather than think of all the things that we have not done. Because if we focus on the things that we haven't done, it certainly doesn't motivate us to keep on going and making moves in the right direction. So celebrate that you are here today. And gently release. All right, shake out your hands, shake out those shoulders. We're gonna take it into quick feet. Okay, into a little hook. So what you're gonna do is little quick feet right here, and then you're gonna hook underneath. And then we're gonna hook right in front. Here we go. So quick little feet, and then hook, and breathe. All right, little quick feet, quick. I'm gonna tell you when we're gonna do it. Are you ready? Okay, how's your responses? And hook it in front. That's it, here we go. Nice work. Keep those feet moving. Pull your core in nice and tight, and hook. Woo, you got it, and hook. Yes, come on, how are those responses? Here we go. You're like, when's she gonna say it? Now, hook and hook. Here we go. Come on, keep going. 10 more seconds. Give me 2 more hooks. And as fast as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, shake out your legs. We're gonna take it into a reversed lunge, and we're gonna take it into a kick in front. So what we're gonna do, lunge back, and then kick that leg forward. We're gonna do it on the right side, and then take it over to the left. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and breathe. So reverse, and then just kick it forward. That's it. Use your arms to help with your core, and then tap. Modified version, you can come back, do a tap here, then kick forward. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, you're going to take it all the way back, kick forward, and then without that tap in front. So even if you want to make it even more challenging, you will never put this foot down. Here we go. Less than 20 seconds, over halfway. You'll start to really feel it in that supporting leg. Keep your chest lifted up, shoulders are down, big smile on your face for 5, 4, 3, 2, last kick, make it powerful, and release. All right, taking it over to the other side. Our final exercise, take a nice big smile. Remember, what can you just leave on the mat today? What's the most that you are gonna do? Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, reverse back and kick forward. Remember, you can tap that little tap in. Either you can tap it here, kick forward, tap back and all the way, or you can hold that core nice and tight, kick it forward and then extend all the way back without even putting that foot down on the ground. Spread those toes nice and wide of your supporting leg and keep everything nice facing forwards. Get a little bit longer and deeper with that lunge. Here we go, 15 seconds is on the clock. What are you made of? How are you gonna finish this workout? Remember, we start strong and we finish stronger. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Boom! Well, there you have it. Okay, we're actually gonna do one more little exercise. You thought you were finished. We're gonna add our last little ones in. We're gonna take it into a standing alternating crunch. And we're gonna bring those hands behind our head, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna crunch from side to side. Here we go. Whew. Well, we did say cardio kickboxing crunch, so I thought let's just add in one little extra crunch workout. And sometimes we feel like, hey, we've done everything. We've managed to make it to the end. And we don't realize that actually what we have left in our tank is still a little bit more. Because most time we do not reach our full trajectory because we feel like we're tired. We feel like we've given everything. But I'm telling you right now, you got more to give. You got more to do. Be bold and go after it. For the final 10 seconds, come on, crunch. Use your obliques. Give yourself a smile. And here we go for 3 and 2. Give me one more. And release. All right, shake it out. Now look, you've already done 7 minutes. You got your heart rate up. You're already here. Now what I want you to do is do the daily workout on the Burn by Rebecca Louise app. Why? Because it's going to have a structured workout routine that's going to give you the result that you are after. And of course, I've got a couple of extra workouts here for you too, but download the Burn method and you're going to get amazing results in a much shorter period of time. All right, well done for showing up today. I'll see you on our next workout.